Hey guys, what's up? Well, some of you may have heard that the Mid-Atlantic got slammed with Winter Storm Jonas. We got 30 inches here in Southeastern Pennsylvania. And let me tell you, this snow fell hard. Came down, started Friday night around 7 p.m. Snowed through till about Saturday, maybe 9 p.m. Stopped, where it really slowed down. But yeah, we got walloped. It's safe to say. And yeah, here's kind of the setup I ran. My John Deere 322 Frasino Landscaping's landscape trailer. Thanks again, Adam, for letting me borrow it. Some of you may know him. And so yeah, I ran my 322 and my MTD snowblower. So went pretty well. This thing broke a bit. That chute fell off, but something's wrong with the drive system too. I gotta look into that. Everything needs a wash. Everything's just covered in, you know, like salt, dirt, whatever, you name it. Going to the car wash today, clean everything off. But yeah, so this is the setup I ran. I did many driveways. I was just busy nonstop for the past 3 days. And yeah, so yeah, here's my 4-way blade and my 2-ways on the trailer. I kept it on here just in case my 4-way had issues, because I didn't want to come back to get that one. So yeah, I just drove around with this setup, tractor and blower. I had my friend shoveling, and my dad helped me out a little, and we just ran around knocking out driveways. So yeah, it went pretty well. It was hard work, I'm not going to complain, but you know, 30 inches of snow, that's a lot of snow, you know. So yeah, gotta clean everything up today. Oh yeah, haven't made a video on this thing yet. It's my truck. It's a Ford F350 XLT 7.3 power stroke. I've got to make a video on this thing. I haven't yet. Sorry, I've been so busy. But yeah, I towed the trailer with my truck, and yeah. So yeah, sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've just been so busy. But this was something significant to make a video about, so I thought I'd make one. So yeah, I towed that with the truck. Went pretty well. The roads are really narrow. You can see they push back the edges, but passing cars with that trailer was rough because most back roads are pretty narrow. So yeah, it was kind of a chore. I got to make a video on this thing. Got to make a really in-depth video on it. Haven't had the chance to do it yet. I bought it back in June, but yeah. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please comment, rate, and subscribe.